Many people face the problem of using traditional brooms to clean dust in some narrow space and corners that are difficult to clean. So we developed a power-free vacuum cleaner that is manually operated and can easily clean places that are hard to reach with a broom. This product is not only convenient and practical, but also effectively solves the problem of cleaning difficult areas, making cleaning process easier and faster.
Now I'm going to talking about the process of making the vacuum cleaner. First, in this place, I drill the hole to make sure the chopstick can be inserted. And then I also using the aluminum tin to make a small fan blade. Thirdly, cut the bottle into the half to put the gauze in right here. And then tie the rope here, and then I put the plastic here to when I pull it, it cannot be got outside. For that, I also do some hole like here to make sure the air can go outside. Lastly, I make the hose with using the plastic. Before that, we need to block every hole except this. That's all. The vacuum cleaner is be complete.
First, use a marker pen to mark the place to be cut. Then, we can use tape to make the mark more obvious and cut it. Second, mark the top and tail of the bottle with a marker pen. Thirdly, drill the hole in the marked place. First, use a marker pen to mark the place to be cut. Then, we can use tape to make the mark more obvious and cut it. Fourth, after cutting it out, fold each piece in half and stick it in the middle of the chopsticks. Sixth, drill a lot of holes in the bottom of the bottle. Seventh, prepare two things like this. Then, stick it to the chopsticks. Then tie a rope around themselves, like this. Eighth, tie a ring to the end of the rope. Ninth, put a piece of gauze inside the bottle to isolate dust and other things that are sucked in. Tenth, find a straw to use as the mouth of the vacuum cleaner, and then block the other holes. The final product.
First, the function of this product is we need to put the gauze is because gauze remove the dust. It won't go through the last position of the bottle. If not, the fan will get stuck. Second, while we spin the string, the plastic can prevent the string won't run away and it won't get stuck. Thirdly, the cost is for let the dust get in through the side of gauze. Fourthly, the function of fan is for remove the dust. And then, the function of string is used for pull. While we pull the string, it can connect the fan to spin so that can remove the dust.
First, the cost of cellophane tape is 3 ringgit 50 cents. Secondly, the cost of super glue is 1 ringgit 80 cents. Thirdly, rope. The cost is 3 ringgit. So that the total cost is 8 ringgit 30 cents.
In conclusion, crafting a DIY sample vacuum cleaner often an accessible solution for basic cleaner needs using common materials. Or it may not match conventional modern in power, it forcing creativity and problem-solving skill while providing a practical cleaning option for small tasks.
We'll use paper towels to demonstrate. Thanks for watching.